Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Creative Muvo Play with your PC. You have to start by press Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click Enter and then on Add Device, Bluetooth, and now press and hold power button on your speaker. Now it should enter to prank mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold play pause button for a few seconds.
Pairing mode, waiting for device to connect.
Now we should see it at the list. And click on it. Then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!